This CP Plus coverage is sponsored by Squarespace. Testing, synchronized. That's it. Yeah. Alright, so it's kind of a little bit of background story because I met you.
Yeah.
Last year, no, 2 years ago.
2 years ago, yeah.
2 years ago. I saw you with this running around, running outside. And this is quite interesting as well.
It's called a Sundisc, and it's a reversible softbox. So you can open it up and change the color temperature. Twist it and then close it, and then you have another color.
And then it's also a softbox because you put the speed light here.
In here or on a bracket, and just use it as a normal softbox.
So it could be a softbox. It's also a reflector.
Or a reflector. And you can just fold it up like this.
It's quite interesting.
And it's super small, so and very lightweight. So that's something that
I missed that 2 years ago because we just met outside. And I totally forgot about this. I forgot to ask you to introduce yourself. Sorry about that.
My name is Vincent Palma. I'm from Sweden. My company is Approach Design Studios.
So 2 years later, you got something new.
Yes.
Which looks like, I don't know, power bank?
Looks like a power bank.
No, so it looks like those humidifiers.
Well, this does something else than humidifying the air. It's a almost 6,000 lumen LED light at CRI 98.
And internal battery?
It does not have an internal battery because of 90% is cooling almost.
Oh wow!
For the LED because it's super strong.
Well, everyone out there say that LED lights are super strong anyway.
Yeah, but 6,000 Kelvin, no, 6,000 lumen in this, it's something spectacular. And it has like a 120 degrees spread without anything.
Oh, okay. What finally impressed me is when you put this into the softbox, because when you hold it,
you don't really see.
When you hold it in your face, of course it's going to be bright.
Yeah.
When you put it through a softbox, I think it's as bright as a lot of big LED panel.
Yeah, it is. And because I have a photographic background, I use speed lights a lot. And what we are thinking here is like, I should be able to use my old equipment, but with LED lighting.
That's true. Okay, I'm facing this way. Better facing this way. The thing is it's probably not as strong as a flash gun.
No.
But for video,
it's perfect.
Wow. For that small size, put it in a softbox, and then it become. I think it's as bright as a lot of LED panel. Well, maybe not exactly, but it's enough. It's enough for a lot of things.
It should be perfect for traveling.
Yeah.
And also interviews.
Yeah. Because the softbox you can float it up.
Yeah. And this still has 2 diffuser panels inside. So.
And then you mentioned Bluetooth.
Yes. It will have Bluetooth mesh, so you can connect thousands of these lamps and control them at the same time. Yes. Literally. And if you do it like by step, like you put one light here, you put another light 20 meters and another light 20 meters, you can go on forever and they will talk with each other. And we also developed a new grouping system, which is color-based. Very simple. Which group am I in? It's in red. Which group is the other one? Well, it's maybe green or blue or purple or yellow. It hasn't been easier. And this is something that's patent pending for us.
Okay, wow. Note that this is still a prototype. So
this is a prototype,
so
but it's basically
quality. The quality is a little bit like
the quality is very sketchy. Yes, it's very. This is something actually we made.
Yeah,
and
by hand.
Also the electronics, but everything is finished.
Yeah,
and we're gonna release the Kickstarter in 2 months, and then it's just gonna roll out.
So check that out.
Yeah,
I think that's pretty cool.
And it's called the Lightcore.
Lightcore.
Yes, a core of lights.
Core. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Check them out. Okay, so this is new.
This is new.
I don't know why you just after I finish everything you tell, oh, we got something new as well. So this is an improved.
Not out yet. Yeah.
Oh, this is not out yet. This is an improved version.
Yes.
Because it's further away from the flash. So this
closer.
one actually more even.
Yes.
Is there anything else? Anything else? That's it.
Not for now. Next year we'll have more.
Okay. All right. Stay tuned for next year.